Yo, Rich Homie Quan, you got me feeling some type of way right now.
Alright, people, listen up. July 6th is going down. And don't judge it, I'm Single Bash. Red, white, and blue edition. Featuring Rich Homie Quan.
Hey, what it do, man? It's the You Can't Judge Her, I'm Single Bash. Red, white, and blue edition. Special guest Raymond Felton, Team Fusion, DJs on the set, man. Only at the Florence Fairground, July 6th, man. Get your tickets ASAP. Pachomi Baby, July 6th. Speed up.
Performing his hits like Type Away, My Differences, Don't Judge Her, and more. With special guest Raymond Felton. Hosted by Mr. VIP Music. With the Team Fusion DJs in the building. DJ Tron, DJ LaVon, DJ Heron. And of course yours truly, the crowd motivator Mike Tech. Single ladies wear red, open ladies wear white, taken ladies wear blue. Cash prize to the sassiest lady in each color. For more info, call 843-616-0146 and 910-918-1481 for tickets and VIP accommodation. It all goes down at the Florence Fairgrounds, 5226 East Palmetto Street in Florence.